This video is about the importance of understanding yourself to my future career. By the way, my name is Renjo Pasar David at first chair. Understanding myself is a paramount for success as a military personnel, as it plays a crucial role in shaping my performance, decision making, leadership abilities, and overall effectiveness in a military. The foundation of personal growth and development by understanding strengths, weakness, values, and emotion. I can make informed decisions, capitalize on my strengths, and work on improving areas that need development. Understanding myself helps and align my personal values and goals with a mission and values of a military personnel. This alignment fosters a sense of purpose, commitment, and dedication to serving my countries and fulfilling to my duties with integrity and honors. First, decision making. Military personnel often face high-intake situations that require quick and decision-making. Self-understanding enable me to make sound decisions. Self-understanding enable me to make sound decisions under pressure based on my truth, understanding of my capabilities, values, and mission objectives. Second, resilience and mental toughness. Military life is physical and mentally demanding, requiring resilience and mental toughness to overcome challenge and adversity. Self-awareness allows me to build resilience, cope with strengths, and maintain positive mindset in the face of difficult situations. Third, effective communication. Understanding my communication style, preference, and tendencies in initial for effectiveness communication with the military, providing feedback, and fostering teamwork among unit members. That's all. Thank you.